You may have asked yourself, how do I change the control center on the iPhone? Maybe you just don't like the layout, or would you like to add some custom apps? So it's pretty simple. We will just open the settings. Here is your control center. iOS 18 offer a new feature, and that is a reset control center. You can put it back to the original view, and then you can just add your stuff as you want it. So now we will just click on the reset control center. We will confirm, and we have already reset. As you can see, it's back to the original settings, and now we can add whatever we want to it. We will click on add the control, and you just pick up what you want to put in here. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, leave me a like and subscribe.